think change feels really hard, especially when there's a lot of it and you know that there's a lot of it, but it's the small steps. And if you can take the right small steps with the little bit of time and energy that you have to do that, because you're still doing the everyday, you're still doing the grind, but there's some things that you can do. And if you take those steps now, they will have compounding interest to make real change in the future. So our goal is to help you say, yeah, there's a million things you can do to make your business better. Okay, let's break that down and say, with the time you have, what are the 2 most important things that you can do right now to help get you to the next level of success?